This is Zoe trying to help the cicada. Come on, Zoe. No, pick him up. Pick him up, baby. Yeah, just don't squish him.
What if he runs?
Did he freak you out, huh?
Get him on the stick and be very gentle. Oh. Bring him towards Daddy's car so he's not over here by Milo. Be brave, stay wild.
I know, Mom. Oh, no.
Don't put him on my car. Go put him over by the trees or something. Wow, that is a great skate. Come on, use your hands. Come on, just don't squish him. Just pick him up. You don't even have to put it. Don't just grab his wing. He's gonna flip around. He's trying to roll out. Don't mess with him. You could scoop him up. Oh, you almost had him.
He's gonna go on my hand. There he goes. He's on my hand.
Hold on. Let me see. You got him. How does that feel?
You feel it?
Okay.
Mommy.